babies. Two little babies. I have a unicorn on my shirt. And I have stripes. Babies, babies, babies. We want to play. Okay, babies. Look what I have for you. Wee, wee. What is that? It looks like a hippo. Hippo with wheels. Who's first? Me. Okay. Up we go on the hippo. Up we go. And, oops, sorry, baby. Up again. Doo-doo-doo. Wee. Baby on the hippo. Baby on the hippo. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Baby on the hippo. Wee! I'm done. Next, baby. Baby on the hippo. Unicorn baby on the hippo. Okay. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-dee-dee-dee-dee. Unicorny baby. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Love your shirt, baby. Thank you. Wee! Boom! Thank you, hippo. You're very welcome. Wee! More play, more play, more play. I have an idea. How about Play-Doh? Dee-dee! Play-Doh it is. We have a blue and a pink Play-Doh. Blue and pink. Who wants the blue? I want the blue. Okay. And you want the pink. Happy. Let's open the pink one. Ooh, it's brand new. Look at it. It's so nice. Wee, pink Play-Doh. Wee. Okay. And the blue Play-Doh. Ooh, nice. Blue Play-Doh. Wee. Can we put our feet on it? Sure you can. Let's do some stamps. Stamp your feet on the Play-Doh. Like that. Wee. Look, shapes. Yes, 2 of them. And one more in the middle. There we go. Ooh, I can see the toes here. Now squish it. Make it a ball for you to play with. Here's your little Play-Doh ball. Wee! And back to me. And back to you. Wee! Hey, I want a ball too. Right now, I don't have a ball. Look at that. It looks like a pillar. Let's make it a ball. A nice blue Play-Doh ball. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. There it is. Blue ball. Blue Play-Doh ball. Back and forth and back and forth. There we go, babies. Dee-dee-dee. I want to put handprints. Okay, little hands, baby hands on that. Handprint. Oh, and another handprint. Dee-dee. Handprints all over. Handprints. There. It looks like a pie. Now for the other baby. Come on, baby. I want footprint. Footprint it is. Footprint. And footprint. And another one. My ball is squished now. That's okay. We can make a pie. Little pie. And we put handprints on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, very nice. Take a seat here, baby. Guys, are you not hungry yet? Yes, we're hungry. Okay, I'll bring the milk and the snackies. And the snacks. Look at the snacks we have here. We have applesauce and fruit and some cookies for babies. Let's open that. There we go. Who wants applesauce? Both of you. Applesauce done. And fruit. Let's see. We have a slice of apple and strawberry. Strawberry for you. And apple. Yummy, yum, yum. And some cookies. Ooh, we have a little bunny cookie. Bear cookie. Bunny cookie. What else? Oh, little bird. And maybe a dog or a little cow. And just a round cookie. I want the bear. You want the bear. Here you go. A little teddy bear. And I want the birdie. Okay, birdie. All full, guys? Yes, all full. All right. Oh, potty, potty. You want to sit on the potty. Okay, here you go, potty. We have a little purple potty. First, you, baby, sitting on the potty. Are you done? I am. Okay, then. Next baby. Next baby on the potty. I'm done. Okay, all done. We are sleepy, sleepy, sleepy. Okay, sleepy heads, go to bed. I'm going in this bed. There you go, on the little pillow, little baby. And cover you with this unicorn blanket. Yay! Unicorn blanket for the little baby. There you go. Hey, how am I gonna get up there? How are you gonna get up there? You're a little baby. There's nothing to get up there. Oh, I know. I have something to help you. Stairs. Yay! We'll just put them right here. And now you can climb up. I can help you because you're too little. Okay. There. All set for this little baby. And cover you with the same unicorn blanket. There we go. All nice and cozy. Cozy baby. Are you good? Yes, we are. I can take that away and put it in the morning. Let's hide it under the bed. Cozy babies. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, little babies. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, babies. I think they're sleeping now. Good night.
For more videos, go to our channel and subscribe.